Hi, my name is Mary. I'm here to tell you everything you need to know before buying Leanbiome, so stay until the end of this video. You wonder if it will really solve your problems, and I'm here to answer all your questions. First of all, I have a really important alert for you, so pay close attention to what I'm going to tell you. The first thing you need to know about is, be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Leanbiome is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Do not search on Walmart or Amazon, the original product is not sold there. So, just like me, you may have wondered why you cannot lose weight, why other people eat more than you and do not gain weight. That's pretty frustrating, isn't it? You may have already looked for diets, exercises or treatments that could solve this problem, but now you will discover that the problem is another. And the solution is the naturally lean gut microbiome. Naturally thin people have this. Unfortunately, the most people weren't born with a lean microbiome, but that doesn't mean they can't get it. People who have this are people with accelerated metabolism, people with less cravings for sweets and fried foods, and people who naturally do not store fat. After some studies on these microbiome lean gut, specialists developed a supplement capable of providing this to people who do not have it. Leanbiome is this supplement, and yes, it really works. Thousands of people have made use of this supplement and claim to be fully satisfied after eliminating too much fat in a short period of time, without making any physical effort or restrictive diet. They simply realized how their bodies began to lose weight and their metabolism became fast. The best part of all this is that there is no other like Leanbiome on the market. No other supplement proposes to solve the slimming issue in the right way, and the results are scientifically proven. But you need to know that immediate results do not exist. Each body reacts in a unique way, and the results will come as you make the correct use of Leanbiome. Also important for you to know, Leanbiome has no side effects since it is a totally natural supplement. It's just necessary to take 2 capsules in the morning every day. You will see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. You can actually test Leanbiome for 180 days, yes, 6 months, and if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. That way, you have your guarantee. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Leanbiome from. If you want to get it, just click on the official link that is in the description of the video, there you can make a safe purchase. After clicking, wait a few seconds and click go to the written page. I really hope this video has cleared your doubts. I also hope Leanbiome helps you just as it helped so many other people. Tell me what you think in the comments.